...2004 350Z Touring Roadster. This is a very desirable Le Mans Sunset Orange. It is an automatic car, black leather interior. It's got the Nismo cold air intake and exhaust. It's only got 15,963 miles on it. Gonna have a couple more after today, but beautiful car. 2004, no miles on it. We've got a trunk.
Electric trunk popper.
Not used to the electric trunk poppers. And hey, you know what? For a convertible Roadster two-seater, decent space. Put a cooler in there. Love the exhaust notes. It's a Nismo. The wheels, oh my God. This car is just, it's beautiful. Let's open this door up. I love the paint. Love the black leather. Comes with the cordless phone. That's just a joke. That's mine, though.
Heated seats as well.
Well, today we will not eat in heated seats, but I'm so happy that the top's down because Jake, you must drive this car. Let us go. I'm excited about this one. Man, it's so new and fancy.
Easy peasy.
And your seat even moved. Wow, that's really cool. So. Just got some oomph.
Pioneer head unit. It's aftermarket. But you got the touchscreen and everything for all your radio controls and Bluetooth, which is nice.
I must say it's extremely quiet in this car.
And the AC works good.
Oh, that's what we need with black leather. I do love the orange. Oh, wow. I'm not used to it being this quiet in a car.
Well, it's hard to get a convertible to be this quiet, even with the top up, but this is nice.
God,
it seals really well.
Really does. It does everything the manual Corvette one does, except it's automatic, and I love it. You must put the brake on, the e-brake, and your foot on the brake. So there's no taking the top down whilst you're driving. It's really nice. I like the orange.
And you've got cruise control on the steering wheel.
Oh, yes. Wow, and these buttons don't even look like they're... I mean, the steering wheel looks brand new. 15,000 miles. There's nothing on this car. And this is...
Storage.
Oh, storage. There's a remote for the head unit. Let's do a little bit of that. Oh, yeah. It's nice. It's a really solid car. It's like new. Well, 15,000 miles, my God. Nice exhaust note.
Yeah, but it's not too loud when all the windows are up and everything. It's not bad at all.
It's very, very quiet. It's solidly built. You can tell this was kind of fun. Got too fast.
Nice exhaust note.
Really nice and very, very. It's subtle. It's not crazy.
Yeah.
It's not the 409. Come on. But boy, it's nice. It sounds good.
3.5 liter.
The V6. You gotta love it. I'm getting you here underneath the shade.
Good old fashioned startup.
If we're any more old fashioned, you couldn't stand it. What's nice about these new cars is I don't have to go all the way down and turn the lumbering thing around. This is so nimble, just zip around and come back and zip around. It's just so fun. Would you like to drive it, Jake?
I would.
Let's take the top off, shall we?